Hey there, Yusuf Kifa here,
Jasmine.
Kwanjet here.
and we are the ambassadors of.
The
The Risers.
So today we'll be joining our students over here in Taylor's University at the DIY Interactive Storytelling Workshop. Let's go. So we just got done with the DIY Interactive Storytelling Workshop where we used the Panorama 360 app to create a 360 image that tells a story digitally. I think that was pretty interesting, Jet. What did you think?
Yeah, it was so cool and innovative.
Yeah, so you can always check out more for more information and benefits. How do you get through that?
For more interesting workshops or benefits like this, do join us, The Risers, today. Till
Right.
then, see you.
See ya.
Bye.